Frustrated by the Microsoft DirectX Direct 3D Module DLL error causing Managed DirectX 9.0 D3D Forwarder to hang? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll help you resync those external dependencies today. Avoid long manual edits for Microsoft DirectX Direct 3D Module by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the Microsoft DirectX Direct 3D Module, a non-standard naming convention for the Direct 3D library found in localized wrappers or modded launchers. It handles the redirected graphics calls for retro hardware. Its absence prevents modded versions of games from initializing their 3D window. Now that you're up to speed on the file's role, let's begin the repair process. If your software is failing because of Microsoft DirectX Direct 3D Module DLL, the internal file mapping for Managed DirectX 9.0 D3D Forwarder is likely corrupted, so reinstalling the current version of your program showing the error will re-register the library and fix the error. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Microsoft DirectX Direct 3D module file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Keep in mind that Microsoft DirectX Direct 3D Module DLL must be properly synchronized with the Windows registry. Simply dragging and dropping a file rarely addresses the root cause of the initialization failure. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. The utility linked below provides informational guidance for users reviewing Microsoft DirectX Direct 3D Module and system behavior. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for Microsoft DirectX Direct 3D Module or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.